Okay, guys. Now, before I end off the video here, I just want to apologize for all the trees that are over here blocking the siren. But the siren is right there. If you guys can see, you guys see that? The siren is right there. Sorry, but I apologize for all these trees that are over there, and you can also see the pole right there into the ground. But I apologize for all the trees. But I apologize for all the trees in the surrounding here. But yeah. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Another tornado siren video after 10 months since my last one because of school. But this is gonna be the end of this video. This is gonna be the end of this video. And thank you for watching, guys. See ya, guys.